Do a canyon run, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Hop in, man.
Oh, it's so clean and beautiful.
Kind of dirty still, but from the road trip. But check this one out. Yeah. Oh, it's luxury.
Did you? I don't think you did this last time.
It's luxury, my friend. Yeah, that's how we do it. We'll see if we get like any room on the canyon. A big rig coming behind us. We'll have some fun for a second then. That guy probably didn't like that.
I was not expecting that.
Hey, not many are. Neither was I when I bought the car.
You shouldn't be able to do that.
Yeah, those corners are good, huh?
God damn, that's crazy.
Thank you, man.
I'm like, all right, wait, this is it. Wait, we're gonna die right now.
Nah, it's plenty of grip, man.
Zero slide, that's nuts.
Dude, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's all grip car. I got good grippy tires on it, and when they're warm, man, they stick. They stick.
That's crazy.
They really do.
Bro, what? What the fuck?
Pretty cool, huh?
The fact that you have the control to be able to do that, that's nuts.
I give it to the car. I'm just a guy. I don't get it either, man. Woo! It's fun though. Yeah, it's the best car I've ever owned. It's when everyone said about it, they were right, man. Yeah. It's something else, dude. Really, truly something else, and that's why, like they say, these things aren't good for, you know, like drifting and stuff, man. It's like they hold so much grip that in those spots, like if you run out of grip, you're, I don't know, you're out of grip. Yeah, dude. We're playing within limits there though, so don't worry about it. Yeah, so that's a new car, man.
So sweet.
Thank you, man. Thank you, brother. The people want to know, how'd you like the ride?
That was sweet. Dude, so bad.
Yeah, buddy.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Yep, that's how it's done.